Hi everybody, how are you doing today? I'm holding this perfume. I don't know if you have ever seen it before. It's Moschino or whatever. How do you say it? Funny the name. I got this perfume while I was on holiday in one of the airport, and I got it because kind of it smelled pretty refreshing. I actually also wanted to get another one. There is Moschino. The name is something like Love or I Love. There's another one which I smelled it on somebody there. It smelled pretty good, but I had only chance to get this one, and I think it smells pretty good. It's a youthful perfume. I actually a little bit opened there already, but like let's unbox it like fully this perfume. So Moschino or Moschino, funny perfume. Have you ever seen it? And do you have anything from this brand? Expiration date is not written there. 36 months from opening. So let's have a look. Let's open it. It was really affordable. How can we open this perfume? And it's one of those perfumes that you can find it easily in the airports, as I understand, and in some of the airports probably. And it's this type of perfume that it's very type of used kind of pretty frequently in some of the countries probably. But you know what, let's open this perfume. I know that this perfume is very youthful and very type of fresh. So it's as fresh as it could get. It's this perfume, like the freshness is overwhelming. And this youthfulness is really overwhelming. It's so gentle, so youthful, so fresh, so young, this perfume. So in the notes you're gonna have citrus. I'm just gonna read a little bit there. You have citrus, fresh green, that's how it smells like, and some floral type of fruity notes over there comes up later on. So basically it's a floral fruity perfume for women. It's definitely for women. 2007, it was launched in 2007, and basically you're gonna smell orange, red currant, pink pepper, green tea, jasmine, violet, cedar, musk, oak moss, and amber. So in those notes, the complete freshness, there is black currant, not black, it's actually red currant, isn't it? Yeah. Red currant, those citrusy notes, like orange red currant, the sweetness there, like green notes. I can't feel amber, but I don't know, guys. But it's complete like summertime, summertime freshness, or let's say whenever you feel heavy, if you spray this perfume, you will not feel heavy anymore. Like, no wonder the name of this perfume is funny, because it's actually will make you kind of in a funny mood and light-hearted mood. Like, for example, it's not similar to Amor Amor by Cacharel. It's not, but the type of youthfulness is there, and this one is like maybe 3 times more youthful than Amor Amor. This type of, I don't think it's gonna last long, but for the moment that it will last, you will feel very happy. And the scent bubble could be this type of really like light-hearted perfume. Probably it's one of the light-hearted perfumes that I own, the most light-hearted perfumes that I own. Like, if you're gonna put them together to if you're gonna hold this together with Middle Eastern perfumes, like this one gonna be so light-hearted that you just want to spray it and smell it. I'm sure it definitely has to have it. You have to keep this one in your handbag, because I'm pretty sure it's not gonna last very long. It's perfume to be sprayed and oversprayed, throughout the day, maybe 3 times a day, I would say, or 2 times at least. And the refreshing type of level, it's pretty high. So that's the perfume that we have, and I want to show you. So it's pretty much done about this perfume. Have you ever seen it? That's the question. Have you ever seen it? Do you have anything from this brand? And also, what about those other perfumes that this brand has, like that love, that another one perfume that with the words love, do you have that one? Like, is that worth attention or anything like this? The perfumes that I still haven't opened that I have is this one by Zara, Moonlight Whisper. That has notes pistachio, cardamom, and pink sugar. I still haven't opened that perfume for the future. I have this perfume Athena by, I always forget by some kind of brand. Let me have a look. What brand is this? Athena. I got confused last time and I still am confused this time because it's not clear to me. Athena by, it's actually by Maison Alhambra. This is first perfume that I will have by this brand. And then I have another one that actually I smelled it in the shop and I thought I'm gonna get it. It's Zimaya Luxure. Not really common to see this perfume, but because it smelled kind of sweet, I thought I'm gonna try this perfume. So that's it, guys. The amazing lightheartedness of this perfume surrounds me right now, and I'm gonna spray this perfume tomorrow and every day, and this perfume to be used whenever you want to feel refreshed. That's it for today. I'm gonna wish you to have a fantastic day. Bye bye, guys. See you soon.